Today's Thursday, November 7th, 2024, and I'm Terry Scoggin, CEO of Titus Regional Medical Center in Mount Pleasant, Texas, and it's time for our November TRMC community update. And I know we're a few days in, but man, was October not fun or what? I'm enjoying the cool air this week, and Lord knows I enjoyed that rain the last few nights. But October was just crazy, and so many great things going on. And we finished it with Halloween last week, and it was just so precious. I mean, to watch our second floor in their bat costumes, but then to see the babies. I know the bunny's crying, but still, come on. Nothing makes me happier when you hear the lullaby play in the hospital every day. You know, a new baby's born at the hospital, but then on Halloween we get to see them all dressed up in their costumes. So shout out to everybody on the second floor for their work last week during Halloween. Just precious. Enjoyed it. And a couple weeks ago, we got to do their bingo for bags. What an event. Just wanted to warn you, Bobby D was behind the screen here, myself. We get to call bingo, and I'm telling you, we're worn out after a couple hours with a civic center full of purse-loving people. And it was an exciting night, a lot of fun. There's a lot of stress calling bingo and purses on the line, but we all came together a couple weeks ago to raise money for cancer and for supplies and resources at the Cancer Center, so it is exciting. So thanks everybody who came out that night. It was a lot of fun. When it comes around next year, get your tickets. It's a sellout, and it is a hoot. And we look forward to doing it again next year. Also last week, we had our first kind of roundtable, a forum with our community members last Tuesday. We did Medicare enrollment, and Titus Regional is in the process of becoming a center that can help with our community with as far as what you choose for Medicare, Medicare Advantage and those things. We did a roundtable last week, and I appreciate everybody come out. Had lunch, answered some questions, did a little slides and stuff. There is an email on there at medicare@titusregional.com. If you have questions about Medicare enrollment that's going on right now through December 7th, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'll be at Lunch and Learn next week if you have any questions about it. But I appreciate everybody who came out last week. Jennifer Burgess was there, came out. Our team from Patient Access was there. It was a really good event, and we'll learn from it. We'll continue to do a couple of those events during the year, but we were excited about it. This Saturday, you gotta love those pants. But this Saturday is our first, not just a walk in the park, but we're gonna have a fun run for diabetes this Saturday. It'll start at Medical Plaza at 8:30. It is a timed run. You can also walk as well. We have a professional group there that will do your times for the people who are competitive and do that for their research and those things. But we're excited about doing this. All the money proceeds go to our diabetes education team. Christina Graham and the team with Diabetes Education do a lot of great things for our community members. And the funds that come from this will just go help them and help some of the supplies and resources they need throughout there. But this Saturday, November 9th, not just a walk in the park, it's our diabetes fun run and walk. But please join us on Saturday morning, 8:30. Exciting. Please wear your best outfit and come out and just have a good time at Titus Regional and going around. We also have coming up this weekend our Safe Rider program. It is going to be at the Medical Plaza as well, November 9th through 12th. Appreciate our EMS and what they've done for our community over the last almost a year now, really being certified with seatbelts with the babies and their seats and the child care seats and being certified in that. There's a lot of work that goes into that. So look forward to that, but I encourage you to come out if you've got a newborn or an infant. The Safe Rider program allows you to go through that and then also have access to one of those car seats as well. But this Saturday, November 9th at Medical Plaza, please pass that around. But we're thankful of our EMS team for doing that. We're also excited to the Chamber, and a thank you to Chamber. Really appreciate the Mount Pleasant Chamber for all they do for our community. Next Tuesday, November 12th, 11 o'clock. They'll be there. They're bringing the ribbon. They're bringing the scissors. And we're just bringing just a good time, and we'd like to welcome you out to our Cancer Center if you've not seen it. A lot of changes going on, a lot of continued changes, but want to just open it up and we're so excited of the work that's going on at the Cancer Care Center at Titus, and just would like for you to come out and join us next Tuesday at 11 o'clock for our official Chamber of Commerce ribbon cutting, but we're excited about that. So please join us next Tuesday. It should be a hoot. And then on Wednesday, so come on Tuesday at 11, I'm sure they're going to have some cookies and punch. Then on Wednesday, at 12 o'clock, we have our November Lunch and Learn. And Let's Gobble, Not Wobble is the theme. And of course, we've got Dr. Hester and Dr. Pappas, our orthopedic surgeons, are going to be doing the program. It's all exciting to have both of them out. Great surgeons, great people. But they'll be coming out on Wednesday to do our presentation. It's our November Lunch and Learn. So that's next Wednesday. Everybody gets there about 11:30, starting about 11:45, and program for about 12 to 1. But please join us. It's good. Anything at 55 plus, it's a $5 lunch. Can't beat it. It's a good time, but we're excited to offer the November Lunch and Learn next Wednesday as well. And then coming up is our All Is Bright, Thursday, December 12th. Just want to put that on everybody's radar. Again, the lobby will be just full of Christmas trees. Proceeds are going to be going this year to the Legacy Park at Titus. We're in the process of building a walking park on campus that the neighborhood will be able to use. The patients, families who are here want to get out and just walk a little bit. It's something while they're here to stay. And then team members at Titus, just to go walk from that. So it'll be a great thing that we'll be building here. Also be recognizing team members that we've lost throughout the years. So that's the theme of Legacy Park. We're excited about it. But the proceeds from this year will go to the construction of Legacy Park right here across the street. So we're excited about that. We'll also be doing an opportunity this year for poinsettias. And that'll be coming out. So watch Facebook, watch the website. But if you have somebody you'd like to honor or in memory of this year, but we'll be having poinsettias all throughout the lobby that you can purchase to put in honor or memory of something. All Is Bright is about raising money, but it's also about remembering friends and team members and people we've lost throughout the year, or remembering people that we just want to honor that have done some great things for us or our community as well. So look for that. We're excited about All Is Bright in the next few weeks. So get ready as Christmas is just around the corner. Started a couple weeks ago with Coffee Chat with Titus. There was some Facebook posts going around, a lot of questions and a lot of just information that I'd love to answer and love to talk about. So we started Coffee Chat at Titus, and our friends at Huey's Coffee on 67, Will and Scott and the whole team over there, we're more than grateful to say, yeah, you can use our place. You can come here. So we're going to be the first and third Wednesday of each month. We were there a couple weeks ago. We went this past Wednesday, yesterday. Had a couple people there, just drinking coffee for an hour, answering questions. It could be about Titus, could be about TRMC, physicians, could be a patient experience, a good or something that you could have better. We'll talk about healthcare. I mean, if you've got some questions about like Medicare and the enrollment, come there. I'll be glad to talk to you. If you have some concerns about just healthcare in general and community needs for healthcare, this is where we're at, the first and third at 9 o'clock. Please join us. It's a great little time. We have a few members of the Titus team that are there just to talk about healthcare, talk about our community. But we look forward to you coming to us. But first and third Wednesday of each month, join us at Huey's. But we're really excited about how that's taken off, and the first two has been really fun from there. It is November. I got mine a couple weeks ago, but it is flu shot time. And I could not do a November update if I didn't give you a little push in the behind to go ahead and get that flu shot this year. Anytime you get that flu shot, again, I know there's a lot of people have concerns and stuff. Again, the information is very clear, and it reduces and mitigates some of that risk. I got mine a few weeks ago. All the primary care clinics in Titus offer it. Pharmacies in the process of getting it set up so they can do them as well. Pharmacies in town do them. I don't care where you get your flu shot, but get your flu shot. It just reduces some of that spread in the community. If you have any questions or anything, please reach out to us. But get your flu shot. It's that time of year from there. You know, lots going on. And October was crazy. And if you're following the election this past week and before that, there's just a lot of information going on in Northeast Texas. The healthcare community and landscape in healthcare is changing. And, one of the things I love is we have a large medical staff. And behind me is just a few of them. It's not all of them, but a few of our physicians that we here at Titus, and have great relationship with these physicians and our APPs and our CRNAs and our midwives. We have a lot of great physicians here at Titus Regional Medical Center. One of the biggest assets of this independent, vital rural community hospital is the providers that we have here. And one of the things that we're excited over the next few weeks and just want to keep your ears open, watching on Facebook, we have the opportunity for some providers from the Texarkana area have reached out to us, and we'll be coming this direction. So some things that happen in the landscape in Northeast Texas, so they're looking for a new home, so they've reached out to us. So we're excited over the next few weeks. So hospitals program, emergency department program, surgery program, a neurology program. We've got some physicians, radiology program this morning, talked to a physician. But over the next few weeks, you'll see about 7 to 10 new physicians who will be moving into our community. community starting January 1st. One cardiology. It's going to start in late November. So going to see some new faces, and you take our existing medical staff, the foundation we have, and these new really great people from the Texarkana, Bowie County area who like to come to Titus and join the movement that's happening in Northeast Texas and be part of our rural independent system. We're excited about it. So just want to put that out there and get everybody fired up. And more information to come. We'll put out some press releases and stuff and opportunities to meet those physicians. But want to take this opportunity, as we're going to have an appreciation dinner tonight for these physicians, and just thank our physicians and our medical staff for all the work that they do for us today. We're so blessed in Mount Pleasant and Titus County to have the level of care that these physicians and APPs provide us on a daily basis, and excited about the future as we bring more providers to the community. So a lot going on, and we're so grateful. And we want to finish this today on behalf of the board, the executive team, Bobby D behind the screen, and everybody at Titus, and just wish you and your family a happy Thanksgiving. The holidays are special, and there's just so much to be thankful for. And there's so much going on in this world, but it's just the time of the year that we can just take a deep breath and be thankful for your family, be thankful for your friends. And we're thankful that you as a community have blessed Titus Regional Medical Center. You bless our health system, you pray for our health system, and more importantly, you support our health system. So on behalf of Titus Regional, happy Thanksgiving. We wish you and your family the best. God bless.